Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at an interesting little math question. It's just for fun, but it helps you understand something important about equations. The question is, x plus 5 equals x, where x is a real number. So what value of x makes this equation true? At first glance, you might think, if I move the x on the right-hand side to the left, it becomes negative. That gives us x plus 5 minus x equals 0, which simplifies to 5 equals 0. But this is clearly impossible. So that approach already tells us something is wrong. The equation has no direct solution that satisfies basic algebra. But let's explore it the long way, just to see why. Suppose we square both sides of the equation. X plus 5 squared equals x squared. Now expand the left side using the formula a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. We have x squared plus 10x plus 25 equals x squared. Now subtract x squared from both sides. We have 10x plus 25 equals 0. Next move 25 to the right side. We have 10x equals negative 25. Now divide both sides by 10. We get x equals negative 25 over 10. Simplify it by dividing numerator and denominator by 5. We get x equals negative 5 over 2. So mathematically, we get x equals negative 5 over 2. But now we must verify it. Let's plug it back into the original equation. X plus 5 equals x. Negative 5 over 2 plus 5 equals negative 5 over 2. Find a common denominator. 5 equals 10 over 2. So, negative 5 over 2 plus 10 over 2 equals 5 over 2. But the right-hand side is still negative 5 over 2. We end up with 5 over 2 not equal to negative 5 over 2. The left-hand side and right-hand side are not equal. So the value we found after squaring does not satisfy the original equation. This means the equation has no real solution. Sometimes in algebra, when you square both sides, you create extraneous solutions that look valid but don't actually work when substituted back in. So the final conclusion, the equation x plus 5 equals x has no real solution. This was just a fun example to show why checking your answer is important. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this problem, make sure to subscribe for more interesting math videos. Take care, everyone.